So we spent a lot of time on the off screen. Now there's one thing you also have to do if you implement a responsive approach as we did. If we submit this and we move on and we create a new place here, for example, here by adding Munich, let's say, we share that place. We click on it, we get this warning that we can only update a mounted or mounting component. We should check the off-screen component. And we should. Our approach for reacting to dimension changes is fine. But there's one important thing we have to do, and you always have to do when applying this approach. I'm setting up an event listener here, right? The problem is we never detached that listener. So we actually created a memory leak. We should detach it. Whenever this component does not exist, there's no need for us to listen to this change. So what I will do is I will add the component will unmount hook here. And in this step here, when it will unmount, then I will call dimensions, remove event listener, and remove my change listener. Now here, we need to remove exactly the same function we hooked up here. To do that, I'll actually create a new method here, which I'll name update styles, like this. And I'll put my setState call into this method here, so that here I just call update styles. Just need to accept dims as an argument here. And by the way, that also allows us to optimize this and use dims window height, but the old code also worked. But now with that, we can also, here it should be this update styles, we can use this update styles here too to remove that event listener. So with these changes in place, referring to update styles in both add and remove event listener, if we save that code and we reload our application, if we now submit and go to create a new place like Munich again, and we share that place, if we now visit this, we no longer get that warning and we no longer create this memory leak. So cleaning this up is really important and something you should do when working with that approach.